today we are going to discuss phase 5 book. Chapter is haloalkanes, haloarenes, which is given as alkyl halide and alkyl aryl halides. So from that, exercise 2, we are going to discuss exercise 2, question number 1, page number is 4.65 there in the book. So the question says, consider the following haloalkanes. We have been given with methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide and methyl iodide has been given. The question is increasing order of reactivity. Now this kind of a question, you need to be very careful about the orders. Increasing order, that means the lowest to that of the highest we need to identify. Lowest to that of the highest. So when we take the reactivity of the alkyl halide, since the alkyl group is the same here, so we are going to more focus on the carbon halogen bond. Okay. So when we take the carbon halogen bond into consideration, greater the bond length, less will be the bond dissociation enthalpy and greater will be the reactivity. That is what you need to keep in mind. So what we can say is carbon with the fluorine bond will be less reactive because the bond length here is comparatively less. So than that of the carbon chlorine, than that of the carbon bromine, than that of the carbon iodine. What is this order? We can say this order is for the bond length, what we can take into consideration. Now because this is the bond length order, we will see that the bond dissociation energy, the bond dissociation energy of carbon fluorine bond is greater than that of the carbon chlorine, than that of the carbon bromine and than that of the carbon iodine. So most easy to dissociate would be what? Carbon iodine bond. So reactivity of that will be more. So hence the order of reactivity what we can take is methyl fluoride is less reactive than methyl chloride, than that of methyl bromide, than that of methyl iodide. Okay. So that's how the order of reactivity can be considered. So first analyze what is the bond length. Based on bond length, you will get the bond dissociation enthalpy. Based on that, the reactivity can be understood. Thank you.